Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining. I'm very excited right now. I just got the HOSS onion sets in, so I wanted to open that up with y'all. I'm not going to be planting it today because it's already late, but I'll be planting them tomorrow, so I can bring you along for that as well. But I did want to go ahead and open it up with you. Let me turn the camera around really quickly. Here's the package. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is how it gets shipped to you. I got the bundle pack, so it has 3 different varieties. Before I take it out, here it is. Okay, so this one is the 1015 Texas Super Sweet. Let me put this light here so you can see it a bit better. Hopefully that's better. So they look pretty good for the most part. There's a couple in there that look what I guess. I mean, there's a few in here that look like they might be dead. But hopefully they will just pop back up. The second variety is the Sapphire. This is a red. This one also looks good. A couple in the middle that look a little wet and like they're dying out. So hopefully that's not the case. There's supposed to be 50 of each, but from what I've heard, they usually send more. So even if there's a few in here that are not going to make it, we should have plenty. And the last one is the Vidora. This one looks pretty good. I mean, again, you'll see, just like with the other two, I mean, there's a couple in the middle that look very wet and gooey, like they might be dead or rotting. See that? But hopefully they're not. Just gonna open them up and lay them out tonight so they can get some air. I mean, this package says that it was shipped 2 days ago, but I mean, unless everything was completely wet when they sent it, everything just, this paper is very wet too. And this is just the instructions, I'm assuming. What you need. Tells you what you should do before. And I've already added my fertilizer from HOSS to my beds, so my beds are ready to go. But I just wanted to show you this. And tomorrow we will go through together. I will show you where I am putting them. Well, actually, I need to open these up. Let's do that now. Let's see how they look. Just so far. Because I have to lay these out. They are nice size though. I mean, there's a couple in there that are thin, but for the most part, they're a good size. There's a couple that are tiny, but that's okay. It's still gonna grow the same. Look at this bundle. They're very pretty. So I'll just lay these out, let them get some air. It says to put it in a cool, dry place if we're not going to plant it the moment we get it, and I can't until tomorrow. So I'm going to lay them out, have them ready for tomorrow. They will go right into the ground and then hopefully perk right back up. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you again on the next video where we are planting these together. And then I also have a discovery box. I think that's something new that they had on their site. So I ordered that. I have that coming in, and then we will unwrap the discovery box together to see what's in it, because it's supposed to be a surprise. You don't know what you're getting in that box. So that's going to be exciting. I can't wait for that. So until next time, bye everybody.